Alright, Sean from Bob's Garage, and today we're doing a power steering pump conversion on an AU Falcon. As you know, they leak like a dog, endless problems. So yeah, this is what we think you should need. I think this should be everything you need. We'll find out later in the video if you need more. We'll put in the description if there is anything more, and all the sizes and details and stuff. I'm just gonna start, take this drive belt off, remove the old pump, and yeah, show you how we go. Belt's off, let's take the pump off.
Ford, found on rubbish dumps, fix or repair daily.
And there we go.
Power steering pump.
Power steering pump delete. These come out of the Astra, like the older models. Very common for conversions. But if you're looking for one, there's another one out there which is shit. So you gotta make sure you get the TRW. So yeah, try and find
What is it, a smaller one?
Yeah, smaller one. It can't handle it.
Can't handle the gig.
No. We'll see if this thread fits first.
Okay.
That's the old thread there. And this. Moment of truth.
Don't cross-thread it.
Oh,
is that jamming?
nah, look, that's finger.
Finger tight.
No way.
We've got a match.
Oh, a match.
Exact fit.
Oh, that's stock line.
Nice.
Oh, that's the hard part.
Is that the in or outside? Is it?
That's the in, high pressure in.
Okay.
So the out should be right. We took that bracket and stuff off. So I'm just gonna start it, make sure nothing's gonna squirt out oil, because there was this long bolt. A bit of a... Alright, we're back. We've taken all these brackets and stuff off. So this bolt, we've got this little bit lathed, which goes inside idler bearing. And that, we'll have to space it out, but that is going to go in. That's going to go in like that to rerun the belt. Hose fitting, connector, sorry. So we've plumbed everything up. Everywhere we've tried to mount it, it hasn't worked. It was way too close to extractors there, and it just didn't work with the belt. Belt's on, got the wrong size, so I'm gonna cut the old one, measure it up, get the new one. This looks like where it's gonna live. Electrical's here, all threaded in, everything's good to go. Just got to work out how I'm going to mount this. Maybe do the bracket down here. I'm not sure yet, but we're getting there. So we'll call it a day from here. Remeasure the new belt. Let's go. So we're at 23.5. Maybe go 2300, make it tight, but I'd play it safe at 23.5. We've had a bit of fun with this. So we found the mounting spot, trimmed the bracket a little bit. Weld that to there, and then the bracket to that. You should miss the battery, away from the belts, not too close to the extractors. See how we go.
Put a zap in there and a zap in there, and
Hopefully. few more modifications for the radiator hose. Test position. I think we're pretty good. Bit more strength.
Nothing like a bit of bird shit.
Now plumb it up, plumb it back up, put the bolts in, somewhat wire that up, put some power steering fluid in and see if it works. Trusty wire snipper's gone, the rigid pipe cutters, electrical. Alright, we're doing a test run here.
Wheels moving? I don't know.
No, these things turn on, they're like, yeah.
Oh, really?
Alright, moment of truth.
So it's about to take off.
That's noisy, eh? Is this gonna blow up?
You need to twist of the wheel. It doesn't work until the wheel twists.
Yeah.
There's the fucking screw screwed everywhere. That's stationary too, ready to go on a bit easier.
Yeah, look. So to tap it off accessories, I've got one of these piggyback fuses. I'm going to put it into this fuse here. 15 amp. Here you go. Alright, after a bit of stuffing around, we've got everything sorted. Power steering pumps mounted in, had a bit of trouble with wiring and fuses and stuff. But that's all sorted. Used the inline fuse with an 80 amp fuse. It was popping 30s. Off camera, the idler pulley, we mounted that in where the existing bracket was for the stock power steering pump. We got a washer made to go inside the bearing to fit an M10 bolt. And the belt we used was a 2305. I'll put it all in the description anyway. And yeah, so I'm gonna take it for a test run, see how it goes, just topping up the coolant, put the fan back in, see how it goes. All right, test drive. Steering's pretty nice. All working so far.